Hey there everyone, welcome to Technoholic. In this video, we will be talking with you about the latest developer build of Windows 11 from Microsoft, which is 25140, which I would say it's subtle increase in build number because previous build was 25136. So after updating to latest build, we can also see the same build number here as a watermark. So as of 17th June 2022, this is the latest build number. If we talk about what's new in this particular build, I would say there are a lot of fixes but very subtle changes in terms of the feature added. Let me quickly open the official blog of Microsoft which speak about this particular build. Okay, so here we can see this blog.windows.com, which is official blog, and here if we talk about the features, then in general category we can see they have added new glyphs to support a Unicode 14 character, which is specific for the Natalic language of Canadian Arctic, which I guess for most of us may not going to use it, but still I would say it's a great initiative because it supports certain category and it feels really nice, like Microsoft is trying to support as many languages as they can. If we talk about other changes and improvement, then you can see there are nothing more. But yes, in terms of fixes, we can see there are a host of fixes, in different categories. For example, there are a bunch of fixes for File Explorer because in last build, the Microsoft have updated the File Explorer, which now comes with a multiple tab feature, which means that you do not need to open the separate File Explorer again and again. You can open File Explorer just like we do in any web browser, which was kind of buggy, and here we can see there are a bunch of fixes, because that feature was quite new, and here we can see the Microsoft is releasing lot of fixes to improve the stability of new features. If we talk about setting, here we can see if we go to rename drive level in system storage, disk and volume, which we can simply click here on menu button and we can go to setting here in system storage. Here now we can see the current drive name, so we can see here the current drive name easily. Similarly, we can see some major fixes in input. For example, when somebody is selecting English New Zealand in OOBE, but unexpectedly it was leading to Arabic 101 keyboard. That's great news for the people of New Zealand who are using Windows, especially the developer preview. Then we can see host of other functionality, especially we are getting host of fixes for taskbar. If we talk about other, here we can see 3 fixes in other categories as well, and here we can also see the known issues for whom we may see the patches coming soon in future release. That's all guys from my side in this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If yes, then don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for such content, and I will see you soon in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.